How to withdraw Telegram stars. So to withdraw the Telegram stars, you have to follow this eligibility. Ensure that your stars are eligible for withdrawal. You can withdraw stars 21 days after they are on. You should have minimum balance of 1000 stars to initiate the withdrawal, right? Now open your Telegram channel and navigate to the balance section here. Now in the balance section, this can be found tapping on your channel name and then selecting the balance from the statistics or monetization, right? So this is very important. Telegram has a partner with Fragment, an uncustodial platform to facilitate the withdrawal process. You will need to visit the Fragment platform to proceed with the withdrawal. And on the Fragment platform, enter your Telegram username and connect your wallet, right? This step is essential. So here on the top right side corner, just go to your wallet section, and here you must need to connect your wallet here, which I've already did, right? So this is really important. And once you does this, enter your details. So on the Fragment platform, enter your Telegram username and connect to your wallet. This step is essential for transferring your stars into Tone Coin, right? Choose the amount of stars you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. The stars will be converted to Toncoin and sent to your connected wallet. After confirming the withdrawal, check your wallet and ensure that the transaction was successful. So this is really important, and this is it. Thanks for watching.